ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to look inside at this floor chamber of this carburetor, beautiful carburetor Zenith-Stromberg. Patrick's garage. And we need simple slot screwdriver. We are unscrewing these screws. There is 6 screws and 1 screw at the center. This is plug for our floor chamber. This is plug, very useful thing. For what? You can ask me. If we want to replacing main jet, if we have needles to do this, we can just unscrewing this lock and with using special tools pressing out our main jet if it needs, or with hammer we can do the same procedures. We not need to adjust main jet. We have carburetor with adjustable needle, but this is carburetor. Now I want to open this floor chamber and to watch inside, and I'll show you what inside of this floor chamber. Our screws, we don't want to lose them anywhere under the table, so we put our screws at one place. So, very difficult procedure and main task to unscrew these different metals, brass and aluminum. In the contact of different metals can be appears corrosion sometimes. I'll show you. So it goes, and we continue and screwing it. Maybe will be better using different type of screwdriver. Maybe coin will be useful for this brass plug. A lot of times this plug suffer a lot from violence by inappropriate screwdriver. And what we see here, yes, if you want you can preliminary check these. Wow, a lot of dust. This is a very dangerous dust, so we just measure it and close it again. Where our measurements should be 451. 451. See, 451 should be, where should be 451? Yeah. It should be 451. Because this is carburetor bit warning. Yeah. 451. But in highest part, in this pinnacle of our floor should be 067 at maximum. 067 at the maximum. Yeah, should be 067. But it should be from 059 to 067 in these parameters, and at the lowest point of our float should be 035 and between 051. But what interesting, these floats can be made out from different materials. This type of floats very often was used for the carburetors B20, but in the engines B80 with carburetor Zenith-Stromberg, here you see different type of float which was used for the carburetors, which was used for the B80 engines. Float can be made out from different materials. You see, this is color white, but they can be from different materials, and they black color. Yes, and very often black floats you can find in carburetors of B18 models, different from this type of float. This part a little bit lower. Here on the picture you see different type of float, black color float, and here the highest point of the float should be 15-17 millimeters, and the rear edge should be 4-8 millimeters. This is part the same, but this is part lower. And yes, level of fuel will be same, but floats different. So if they different, and adjusting data should be different. And I know only two ways to achieve desirable level of the fuel in the float chamber. We can adjust our float by adding washers, aluminum washers, special washers under the needle valve, or we can little bend tongue of our float. Here in the picture you can see this tongue and our needle valve. We can bend a little bit this tongue, but you don't want to bend the frame between these floats. With this type of float you can implement the same procedures, and you can do it in the ease. So it's inferred that between these parameters should be correct level of fuel in the float chamber. So you see that this float chamber mechanism works like the toilet. And the main thing, you should adjust the new ring to prevent leakage from the float chamber. It can be very dangerous. And you want to make darn sure that it was installed correctly, or you'll see how it goes on as time goes on. And if it will be done in proper way, I think it will be good. And if you like this carburetor, you could probably test that too. Now, if you want to continue our conversation, please write comments down below. I hate to be superficial about carburetors, you know, especially if that's interesting and something that I should be aware of. And I think it's always interesting. There is never an excuse to be bored with an old carburetor. Nowadays, fuel systems seem very dull beside our beautiful Stromberg. Now, thanks for watching to the end. Till next time.